Good evening from Leopard Trails, Leopard. As the sun starts setting on our dry zone forest, there's a plethora of sounds that we hear, and not a day goes by without us hearing these. So we thought to ourselves, what is the quintessential sound of Sri Lanka's dry zone jungles? As the sun now sets here in Wilpattu, we think the quintessential sound of the jungle is the call of the peacock. Why? Because this is a piercing and charismatic sound that can be heard throughout the day, when you wake up, when you go to sleep, and it sometimes even wakes you up in the middle of the night. Not to add, the Leopard Trails team thinks it's my best impression as well. Hope you give us your thoughts on what you think is the quintessential sound of Sri Lanka's jungles, and send us some impressions.